Welcome back to Keywords Episode 10. Today our objective is to identify two-step word problems. Today we are going to back up and use smaller numbers so that we can really understand two-step word problems. I've added pictures even to really help us find the answer to these two-step word problems. Let's get started. Alright, Rebecca ate 2 hot dogs. Her brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. How many hot dogs were eaten all together? I'm going to reread that a second time. Rebecca ate 2 hot dogs. Her brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. How many hot dogs were eaten all together? The very first thing that we're going to do is find how many hot dogs Rebecca ate. Rebecca ate 2 hot dogs. Today I'm going to practice showing you how to draw pictures to get your answer. So we have 2 hot dogs for Rebecca. Then we find out her brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. So brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. Not 3 hot dogs, 3 more. Our key word is more. Brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. So it's Rebecca's hot dogs plus 3. So we have Rebecca's hot dogs plus 3 more hot dogs. Now we need to answer the problem, because the problem wasn't how many hot dogs does brother have. It's how many hot dogs were eaten all together. We learned that all together is a key word when we're adding. But we're not just going to add to get brother's hot dogs. We have to add Rebecca's hot dogs and brother's hot dogs. So when we add Rebecca's hot dogs and brother's hot dogs, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hot dogs. I hope this helped you understand two-step word problems a little better. This time, we're going to do the same problem, but we're not going to draw a picture. Let's see if you can do it independently. Rebecca ate 2 hot dogs. Her brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did. How many hot dogs were eaten all together? Use addition sentences to help you figure out this problem. Let's first underline things that we know to get us started. We know Rebecca ate 2 hot dogs, and we know her brother ate 3 more hot dogs than she did, but we don't know how many brother ate. And it's asking us how many hot dogs were eaten all together. Go ahead and pause the video and try to write addition sentences to help you understand two-step word problems. Then resume the video to see if your addition sentences match mine. Okay, so if we were going to figure this out without drawing pictures and we were going to write addition sentences, I would first write an R for Rebecca, and I'm going to write down everything I know about Rebecca. Rebecca has 2 hot dogs. Her brother, I'm going to write a B for brother, he ate 3 more. Now I know more means to add, so I'm automatically going to say 2, because 2 is Rebecca's hot dogs, plus 3 because he ate 3 more than Rebecca. So I have Rebecca's hot dogs and I have brother's hot dogs. But the question is asking us how many hot dogs were eaten all together. Not how many does brother have. How many did Rebecca and brother eat? So I have to find brother first. So I know brother has Rebecca's hot dogs, the 2, plus 3 more. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, to find the problem, how many hot dogs were eaten all together, I have to add Rebecca's hot dogs and brother's hot dogs. So I'm going to say 5 plus 2 equals 7. And don't forget your label, 7 hot dogs. I hope that helped you better understand two-step word problems. Let's do one more together to see if we can better understand. Alright, Drew read 4 books. Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. How many books did they read all together? Okay, I'm going to reread it again. Drew read 4 books. Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. How many books did they read all together? This is a 2-step word problem. Let's first find how many books Drew read. Drew read 4 books. We're going to draw that here. Then we have Tristan. Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. So 1 less book would be taking away. So we're going to have Drew minus 1. We know Drew read 4 books, but it says for Tristan that Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. Not 1 book, 1 less book. So we're going to have to take Drew's books minus 1. So we're going to draw Drew's books, and then we're going to take away 1. So we have Drew minus 1. Now we need to find what they're asking us. How many books did they read all together? So the first step, we subtracted Drew's books minus 1. Now we're going to add. We're going to add Drew's books and Tristan's books. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 7 books. That was a 2-step word problem. First, we had to find Tristan's books. Tristan's books were 1 less than Drew's. So we took Drew's books, which was 4, minus 1, and we got 3. So Tristan read 3 books. Then we added Drew's books plus Tristan's books to get 7 books. Let's try to make number sentences of these so we can better understand these 2-step word problems. Drew read 4 books. Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. How many books did they read all together? Let's find the things that we know first. We know Drew read 4 books, and we know Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. But we don't know how many Tristan read. And they want us to find how many books did they read all together. Pause the video and try to write your number sentences. Then we'll see if they match mine. Alright, let's try it all together. Drew read 4 books. So I'm going to write a D for Drew. I'm going to put a 4 under it because we know Drew read 4 books. Tristan read 1 less book. Less means to subtract. We learned that in our keyword segment. Tristan read 1 less book than Drew. So we have to take Drew's books, which is 4, and subtract them by 1 because Tristan read 1 less. So we have Drew with 4 books and Tristan with 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. We're not finished though, because the question asks us, how many books did they read all together? So we had to find how many Drew had and how many Tristan had. Then we have to add them together. So we're going to add Drew's and Tristan's. So we're going to add 4 plus 3, and that equals 7. Don't forget your label, books. Nice job today. We'll continue to work on this.